Addison. Okay, go ahead. Then we'll want to cut the soil open. About halfway there. Okay. I'm going to add a little water, squirt some water in there, moisten it a little bit. Okay, that's good. Then we'll want to take the plant out. We're going to gently try to loosen up some of that excess soil and remove it. And just break off a little bit gently. And if it doesn't come off, that's okay.
Yeah, I know. Because then it'll eventually spread in here.
Yeah. Is it kind of coming off a little bit?
Yeah.
You can kind of just dip it in there. Is that about as good as it's going to get?
Yeah, probably.
Okay, go ahead and put it in the cup. There we go. Kind of push it down a little. We're going to add just a little bit more soil. Just a little bit, because there's not a whole lot to add there. Just kind of push it around so that you can make sure that the plant is centered. There we go. You want to drop it back in? There we go. And open the NutriPort. We'll fill it up, and since it's a succulent, we don't want to. Just want to make sure we moisten the water and let it completely dry out before we add more.
Abby, watch this. Abby.
Okay, I think that's good. Now you want to open up your nutrient packet and add that in there. There you go. You're done. There is your awesome aloe vera plant. Grobal. Yay!